Hi guys, this is our chapter number 8th of the town planning. So, in this chapter, we will learn how to create the cross section and sample lines in the civil 3D. So, let's go start now. For this alignment, we are create the first the sample lines. Without sample lines, we can't create the cross sections. This cross section especially we are using for the design the road and calculate the earthworks, means backfill and excavation quantity we can calculate. So first come to in this create the design part. It's already be finished. Now you come to here and just hold it here. See the sample lines in the profile and section view. Just click on it here. Then it's asking to us alignment, select to alignment. So we are going to select our alignment. This is the our alignment. Just hit once, click, then this pop-up will be appear. You can give the name of the sample lines, okay, here, and you can fill this all things here as you like. But you see one thing we forget, we not create here only the two surface are there, existing and basic, but still one more we want. So just once click cancel here and come to corridor and click the corridor, then right click here and they see corridor surface. We should be assign one surface to our corridor. So just click on it here, okay, then just click once again here, okay. So this is the we are creating the surface here. Click and link to top link, okay. Other things here no need to change. Then go to in the boundary here, okay, and here also you see one things we have assigned another things, the surface code here. Just click on down arrow and select here the daylight, okay, daylight, or you can select here datum. It's good datum, okay. Already we select. If you want to add, you can click here, just we add here, and if you want more things here, then you can add them more things here and just check it here. Then link already top linked here, no need to nothing to change. Come to boundary here, just click on this icon and right click, left right click, then come to here and add automatically. Automatically means here which we want to daylight, okay, and apply. Then it's asking rebuild. Yes, rebuild the corridor, okay. Then say okay. It's now assigned the here surface. Now we go to our in the sample lines here. Just click on it and select to our alignment. Then give to name. I'm giving to name RO5, same number. And here sample line, see style, you can check. We want just road sample lines. And sample line label means section labels. What the labels you want? Section name, marks, stations, or many things are here. You see section name, section marks, okay. Or if you don't want, then say no, so I say here station mark, okay. Now you see here three are appeared the our surface. One existing and one is the basic. Here the existing, just to click once here and second time you will see. Then here not existing, this is the finished ground level. Say okay. Now you can say here the okay, hit once okay, then it's appear another pop-up and you click to here once, create the sample line in group, edit group, delete group, select group, है ना? These options are here. Okay. Another, you see, where you want the sample lines by range of the stations, at stations, from the corridor station, pick sir, or existing the polylines. We don't have the polylines, so just we say by range of the station. So every our change will be get the one sample lines. Just click here. It's asking the range to us. This is the name, this is the name, and this is the alignment length. And here is see left swath width means this side and this side how much you want the width. So just we say here we want only 10 meters. Okay. Then another, it's asking the right side, then we can say that 10 meters. Okay. Then sampling increment, it's asking. So our challenge is the every 10 meters. So I think better we have to write here that every challenge 10 meter and 10 meter, and another the spiral, no need to here, or maybe you can change here the 10 meters. Okay. And see here at range start means starting alignment, starting you want the cross section or don't want, or at and want or not. If you want, then just click and make it true and make it true. Okay. Then hit OK. You wait and then enter. Okay. See here every change we get the one sample lines. This one, see, sample line. Okay. Now our sample line is there complete, and we have to create the our cross sections. So just you come to here and click this down arrow and create the multiple. If you want every change or more, then we use this option. Otherwise the create the section views means one section, and other things we leave it. Just create multiple because we want more sections like that. Click here. Okay. Then select the alignment. Alignment is here. Sample line group name is here already. And the start and end station mean length of the our alignment is this. And the section view names, if you want to give to name, then you give. Otherwise leave it. It will be, can change later. Okay. And then come to section view styles, road section. Okay, no problem. Then next it's asking where you want the your the sections you want in the same the drawings or in the layouts. So I think draft you selected. So in this drawing will get, because we didn't have any prepared the our sheet. So just click once here, it will be appear. Okay, later. Next, see offset range. Already we set minus 10, it's okay, no problem, because our sample line length. And if you want to change, then you can change. And next you see elevation range is the maximum or minimum vary, or height you can change here. If you check your as you want, no problem, but we don't want here now change. And next, then station display, what they will display in our cross sections, existing ground level, basic or finishing ground level will be appear. Okay. Next you go here, offset only what data band you want, you can select here. Major offset and elevations I'm going to select here. Okay. Then it's okay. And now create section views, click here, and it's asking where you want to put your sections, cross sections. I am going to select here. Okay, it's creating. Okay, all are created. You see, as per our assembly. Assembly means the cross section. You can see here this, and here just you click here. This is finished ground level. Okay, and this is the our existing ground levels. Okay, and you want to change the colors or verify the labels, everything you want to change, you can see here is like that. This area is the filling here, this area is the filling here. Another cross section you see, in this side the small filling is there, and here small is the cutting there. So like that we can create the cross section. In our next part we will assign the here cut or fill quantities tables for this cross sections. So you will get the all the cutting and back fillings materials quantity. Okay, thanks for watching.